Everybody, welcome to my newest video. This is just going to be a little test, a little burn and boil test. I'm going to see how long it takes to boil some water over this willow wood here. My dad called it gopher wood, but I'm just going to try to split some of this down with the axe he gave me. It was a little dull on the tip. It was the only place it was dull. It was really, really sharp everywhere else. But I did some filing on the tip, so hopefully that got the tip a little better. Just trying to split this wood down. So I've just been trying to chop this down smaller for my stove. And I know an easy way I could do this, but I could damage the blade. Well, I'll bring you guys back. Hello everybody, I'm back. I got, a little bit of everything in here. This here's just a mess of stuff that is just trash, really, that I've done little burns with, and it's just like a mixture of tiny bit of fat wood, a tiny bit of birch bark, some cedar bark, tiny bit of cattails, magnesium, just a lot of pine wood, just everything all mixed together in a rat's nest. So I'm just gonna see if this will go up with the ferro rod. I'd like to thank Jerry for giving me this ferro rod again, and it's awesome. Awesome gift. So again, the cattails went up immediately on there. Maybe I can just rain down some sparks on it, get it to go that way. And I think it might be going now. Well, it looked like it was going to stay lit. Oh, and it went out. And I smothered it out again. Just so sensitive, everything mixed together in here. Alright, this is cooking over gopher wood, guys. Let's see what this takes. Alright, I got the stopwatch here. I'm going to get the stopwatch going. Stopwatch is going. Going to see how long it takes to boil this. Again, this is boiling water over willow wood. Few bubbles, 3 minutes in. Now I just loaded a couple more sticks on the stove. This here is my B-grit stove. This is a front loading stove. Using my Zhangmai stove, you can just load the sticks from the corners here. It's a little bit easier, but you end up with a bigger fire that way. This one here, you can kind of control the fire more a little bit, just loading them in from the front. This wood doesn't smell very good while it burns, but it produces nice coals, and just over 5 minutes in, it was producing nice bubbles. Good only having to load the stove once and to boil the water. It's just over 7 minutes in and it's coming to a good boil. And just over 8 minutes in, it's coming to a roaring boil. So it took just over 8 minutes, about 8 minutes and 10 seconds or so, for it to come to a roaring boil. I had the lid off a lot of the time too because I was trying to film. I just left it off a lot, but no, I think this willow wood is actually making some pretty nice coals to cook on. And I'm just gonna keep it simple with the instant. One tip for instant coffees is I found the instant coffees from Mexico to be better than the ones from Europe actually. One final tip, I got into the habit of carrying a measuring cup with me, with my canteen cup, so I can just have something to, so I can drink it immediately, have something to pour it into, and it's not hot. So that's going to be it for the Gopher wood burn test. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.